In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record a meeting on the Skype application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Skype application if you have it already on your PC. Of course, if you don't, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you are currently using. And once you opened your browser, go to the URL section and type download Skype. And of course, once you did that, go to the URL section. Of course, I already said that. Go to the URL section, type download Skype, hit the first link, and download the Skype application. Of course, it will be pretty easy. It will be like any other download. You must have been already downloaded something in your PC before. So once it's downloaded in your PC, you will need to go and install it and open it. Once it's opened, they will ask you to log in into your account, and if you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create one. Of course, it will be pretty simple to do that. So once you did one of these two options, you'll find yourself here with this homepage or this main screen. And as I said in the beginning of the video, you would like to record the meeting. So first of all, let's just start a meeting, host a meeting, and let's just wait until the meeting starts. Of course, here maybe like a birthday party, start a call, and as you can see, there is the meeting. So of course, if you want to record the meeting, as you can see, we have here the record option. If you click on it, as you can see, it will not be available to record the meeting. Why? Because I am the one who is hosting the meeting. Of course, if I want to record the meeting, even if I'm the hoster, all I need to do is just to use an outside application. For me, I will use here the OBS application, and as you can see, that will be an application. How can we use that? Simply go and create a scene for you. Once you download it, of course, go and download it wherever you want. Go and create a new scene, and of course, you stop, of course, saying. So let me just go back here. When you create a new scene, let me just show you this. So when you create a new scene, let me just go big here. Go and create a new display capture. And of course, click at the OK button, and as you can see, it will create a display capture. So maybe the FPS drops a bit, so let me just delete one of those. So, and now go back to your Skype, and as you can see, you'll be able to keep like recording the session however you want by just clicking at start recording on the application, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.